This video is going to show you how to download, set up, and join a secure telehealth meeting using Zoom on a smartphone or tablet. Now, I'm using an iPhone for this demonstration, but it will be very similar for you on the device you're working on. The first thing you'll need to do is go to your App Store and download the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Once it's downloaded, open up the app. Before I go any further, I want to say you will be prompted at some point through this process to allow access to your microphone and camera, and you're going to need to do that to ensure that you're seen and heard by the host of the meeting. When you launch the app, this is what you'll see. You'll choose Join a Meeting. You do not want to choose Sign Up or Sign In. Those are more for the hosts of the meetings. After you choose Join a Meeting, you'll put in the 10-digit meeting ID number that your provider gave you and your name. Leave the below settings as they are, because if you select them, it'll turn your mic and your camera off, and your provider won't be able to see or hear you. So here, you'll see that you can join with or without video. And now that puts you in your doctor's waiting room. So now they are sitting there waiting for you to arrive, or maybe they're in a meeting with somebody else. But either way, they saw your name pop up as soon as you logged in there. So now your name's at the bottom, and they can either just ignore that for a minute or they can admit you in. And so once they do, now you are in the meeting with them. So now you just see a blank wall next to me because I don't have a doctor with me. So this is another option you're going to need to choose, is to call using internet audio. As you see on the bottom here, you have a mute option if you don't want them to hear something real quick. You also have a stop video option if you want to pause your video. You'll remain in the video chat, but it'll just turn your camera off for a minute. There's some other options if you want to see who the participants are to make sure it's you and your doctor, which right now it's me and me. If you tap on your picture up in the top corner, you can toggle the camera back and forth. When the meeting is over, you or your doctor can choose leave. And there you go. That should help you get started using the Zoom Cloud Meeting app for secure telehealth.